and Judge Heller ordered that a hearing be held. That hearing was never held because they had to protect their white counterpart and wouldn't allow me to put her on the witness stand to show that I was entitled to the greatest sanctions available, which meant exclusion of the blood test.
Mm-hmm.
Now, she stood before the court and told the court that she was prohibited from obtaining medical records in Walter Reed Hospital in Washington, D.C. because of the Gulf War, which was the biggest lie she ever told. And the judge accepted this lie. Then he tried to deceive me on my rights to take exceptions to his ruling. This is the kind of filth that go on. When I appealed the case to the Special Court of Appeals, there was 3 gentlemen there, bless their soul. They took my brief and threw it in the trash can, created a pack of lies, and ruled on their own lies. Now, if this ain't a conspiracy to obstruct the fair administration of justice, I don't know what is. President Bush ordered an investigation on these judges. Naturally, the Justice Department has been impeding that investigation for years. They've sent me lies through the mail trying to justify why they could not proceed. My case bounced around from the criminal section of the Justice Department to the civil section of the Justice Department.
Thing. You went through Alan Locks and Rosenstein. You went through Eric Holden, and then Perez was the Civil Rights Division. He just got promoted over to the Education Department. We went down the same road.
And this is the thing.
Like y'all went down the same road?
Pretty much. But, Eric Holden, he half white, and he's part of that J. Edgar Hoover system.
I don't know who that system is.
He the new face of old Jim Crow.
New face of old Jim Crow. Now, I done wrote him and President Obama about 5 or 6 times. Certified mail return receipt requested. The Justice Department tampering with my mail, won't let it get through.
Mm-hmm.
Now, this is over a 5-year period. I filed mail tampering charges. The post office confirmed that the Justice Department been tampering with my mail, but they too are scared to death to move forward with charges of mail tampering.
You got to do checks and balances.
We are living in a government within a government.
Yep.
Now, Obama, he's sitting free. Naturally, he's going to disavow any knowledge of this. But when you send mail, restricted mail, you understand me? His secretary got a sign for it. And that's what I did. And I haven't heard anything from the Justice Department. Now, Bush, I didn't even vote for him. He ordered an investigation. I've been trying to reach Obama so he can show some solidarity and order another investigation because Eric Holder and his boys are impeding an investigation. And that has caused me a lot of devastation, emotional stress, psychological trauma, and everything.
They stopping all the investigations that Baltimore supposed to be under. The IRS supposed to come here and audit the city about their finances. They supposed to audit the city about their housing. They supposed to audit them about this prison industry. They throwing the guerrilla mafia underneath the bus. Throw them judges underneath the bus, Dust.
This is, it's sickening because, like a judge, they always say, well, I'm acting in my official capacity as judge. Well, if you lie and willfully defy the law, you're not protected. If you act without jurisdictional authority, you're not protected. If you enter into a prearranged agreement to give known erroneous decisions for opposing party to prevail, you're not protected. That's a conspiracy that falls under the RICO statute, which comes out of Eric Holden's office.
And sovereign immunity does not apply.
And then on top of that,
what'd you say, Brother Orange Ale?
This is the thing. I done talked to Homeland Security. I went down, what is his name? Federal prosecutor, Rosenstein. I went down his office, because I asked him to investigate this stuff. They call out Homeland Security and take me into another building. 2 big white guys, about 6 feet 7, And I gave him a copy of the charges that I sent President Bush. And I said, these are the damn terrorists. Homeland Security, you're looking for terrorists, they're right here sitting on the bench. These are the terrorists. You Homeland Security, go lock them up. But they don't want to do this. And